Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. Today I've got an exciting video. I'm doing a collaboration with Vicky from Glitter Sparkle Nail Design and Laura from Couture Nails. I really hope I'm saying that right. I apologise if not. But today we are all going to be doing a cactus themed set of nails, which is really exciting. I've been wanting to see some cactus nails quite a long time now, but it's just one of those things I've never got around to. But I'm literally buzzing to do this set today. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just going to wing it and make it up as I go along, but that's pretty much how all my nail art goes. But anyways, definitely go and check out the other girls' videos. I will link both their channels and their videos down in the description box below. And yeah, other than that, I'm going to crack on and get started and see what happens with this set of nails. So much love everyone and enjoy the video. So I've pre-painted and lightly buffed some nails. Colours today that I'm using as my base, we've got 333, which is this pastel blue from the Beetles Perfect 20 collection. We've got Taro Milk from Models 1 as this sort of like pastel-y lilac colour. And then we've got 606, which is this lovely pink colour. And then 608, which is this gorgeous pastel yellow. And they are both from the Beetles Spring and Summer collection. So yeah, that is all the colours I'll be using as my base today. As for the other colours, I don't know yet. We'll see what happens.